This conference will now be recorded.
Welcome to again our second class, all of you. So just before we are talking about the diagram of the SMDB. Okay, so SMDB we are completed. We are completed in SMDB. And next one, is TV, telephone, and power socket. They are. So TV, telephone work also you can installation in their some boxes and TV, telephone connection also. So this one I will make the red marking is there. This one is TV and this one is telephone. This is telephone point and this one is TV point and this one is power socket. So this is coming together in separate box, not in one box. Okay, not coming in one box, separate box, separate box. Like that box is coming separate. One for power, one for telephone, and one for TV. Separate is coming here. Okay, so there is length is together, but box is separate coming. Okay, separate is coming here. This is power symbol, this one is telephone symbol, and this one is computer or another system. Okay, so we have the symbol of this one. Power, TV, telephone. Okay, so this also coming in inside the building, a maximum building. If you working in typical building, first floor, second floor, third floor, up to 10th floor like that, then you should be in box installation time. Box installation time, you can put the TV and telephone box also. They will mention. And this box and this box distance is 50 mm. Center of this box and center of this box. Okay, so side of this box and side of this box is 50 mm distance. You can give the gap between two boxes is 50 mm, half centimeter. Another also half centimeter. Box of the distance. Okay. So suppose we have the two boxes in installation here. You should be keep the gap is like that, half centimeter, like that gap. Okay, but level is coming same level, same height coming. Only gap you can make the 5 centimeter gap for some devices connection there. That time some devices coming little big, so not joined together. Okay, you should be give the gap in 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. This one give should be. So here is writing in TV. You see here is writing in TV. TV means television. Here is arrow writing in TV. You can check in there writing in TV. And this is telephone. And this is computer. And this is TV. All are mentioned is like that. You see here is only for computer, telephone, and power socket. So this is the symbol of drawing. You can check and do. Check there have how many boxes coming there. How many boxes you need to installation is there. You can check the symbol there. And then after you can installation. And do the wiring also. Okay. Lighting and switch. Okay. So lighting and switch. You see this is these three lights were direct coming in switch. These three lights one switch to on off. There is three switch. Here is writing three, yes, three switch, okay? Three yes is writing there. This means this 1 to 3 is one switch. And another, this center light is one switch. Give the arrow of this one. This is separate. Only one light, one switch. And this 4 light is one switch. 3 switch is coming in this room inside. This room inside have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 light is there. This inside have 7 light. Okay. So this 7 light have 3 control switches. Center is control only one switch. This 3 light is controlled by one switch. And another, this side light is controlled by another. So they are mentioned is like that. You can check this one. These all are the separate switch and separate circuit also coming. Okay, they are mentioned. This is the decoration light. Okay, decoration light is this one. And this one is square light. Okay. Electrical layout plan. This is square light. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 light is one switch. This light to going here loop. After here to another light and another light. Okay. So all are looping system. Looping system and controlled by only one switch. So this is your one room. This is the door of the room. You enter inside the door. This one room and another room. This is the door. Symbol of the door. This one. Okay. And here have the toilet and bathroom. This side have toilets and bathroom. You can see this is the toilet and bathroom. This is the wash basin. This is the toilet. Okay. This is also toilet. So this area is toilet and bathroom. This is the symbol of the toilet and bathroom. So this is your main entrance room inside, main entrance door, main door. And this is branch going to room inside. You can check the layout drawing is this one. Okay. So these all are your walls. This is the wall. You can measurement wall to how many center is center of this light. Another, this wall to how many center of the light. All are measurement and fixed there. As per measurement. This is electrical layout plan. Okay. So there have only electrical, only light and switch. Not typical, only for this is lighting electrical. Okay. Only there is coming lights and switch, not other thing. You can see there is not coming in other. Only mention door, wall, lights and switch. Because all switch are coming in wall. And lights are coming in ceiling or slab. So this is the electrical layout plan, only for electrical mentioned. So here in bathroom inside have the 2 light is there, 2 switch is there. You see one switch for this light and another switch for this one. This one is wash and if you going to wash basin room, wash basin area. So this upside you need to light also. And this is room inside light. All are mentioned is there. As for this one, you can follow the wiring. You can follow the wiring. Okay. And next one is fire alarm layout plan. Fire alarm. So electrical section inside also you can do in fire alarm system also. We have the course also fire alarm. Okay. So this is fire alarm layout drawing. Okay. So this is the symbol of smoke detector. Smoke detector. This is the symbol of sounder. Sound. In case of any emergency happen in building, especially fire alarm, using in bank, commercial bank, and some government office, we can using in fire alarm system. In house, as a rental house, we cannot use, maximum not using in fire alarm system. Okay, so in government building we can using in fire alarm. So this L1 12, L1 means this is loop 1 and 12 means number of the this smoke detector is 12 number. You see there is writing in office, office, office. This means some office, commercial office or anyone, not using in maximum fire alarm system, not using in residential houses. Okay, we cannot using in houses. Okay, maximum use in official purpose, banking purpose, commercial building, and official government building, government project, metro rail station. We can using in fire alarm system. Okay, we can using in fire alarm system. These all are the smoke detector. All are smoke detector. Okay, so this is the sounder. You can check this one. So fire alarm chapter also coming. I will explain more this one. So this types of drawing is called fire alarm drawing. You can check in this one. If smoke detector is coming, some sounder is coming. This means this is the fire alarm layout drawing. You can clear about this one. Okay. Next one, very important topic. This is the important topic in drawing knowledge. What we need to see in front page of the drawing. Front page drawing. What writing in there? This is the important topics. Okay. Front page, there is writing main client or main contractor. So who is the main? All types of work is contract in owner. It's like electrical, mechanical, plumbing, civil, one building inside of all kinds of work. So main contractor or main client, all types of work contract with owner. Okay, so you can check who is the main contract of this building. Okay, next one is sub main client. This means after main client take the all work activities, after main client give to different work in different company, because some company working in electrical, some company working in civil, some company working in firefighting. As per company category, main client give to work in sub main client. So you can check the sub main client. With the sub main client as per work. Electrical sub main client is who, and mechanical sub main client is which company. You can check by sub main client. Project location. Where is the project location? Some engineer, some foreman or some your friend is asking you, where is your project location? If you have don't knowledge of this one, no answer for you. So you can check the project location also. There is writing project location also in front page of the drawing. Okay, and project name. Project name. Project of name. Which types of project? Commercial building, residential building, houses, metro station. Which category of building? Project name. They will writing in project name is there. So you can check the project name also. Drawing title. Which types of drawing? We have so many types. In electrical inside have also so many. Fire alarm, lighting, DB schedule, cable tray trunking, so many types of drawing. So you can check the drawing title. As per your work activity, this drawing is correct or not. Lighting installation drawing, wiring drawing, okay, cable tray layout drawing, power socket layout drawing. So you can check the drawing title. There is writing, drawing title is writing electrical. If your work is wiring system, that time writing is wiring layout drawing. If you are working in cable tray, drawing title area writing is cable tray layout drawing. As per your activities, writing drawing title. Scale, most important, 1:100. So scale is writing in front page. So 1:100. What is the meaning of 1:100 in scale? You can check in there. 1 means drawing sheet scale. This 1 means drawing sheet scale. 100 means real field scale. So 1 you can measurement in your drawing sheet. 1 mm, 1 centi, 1 meter, like that you can measurement in there. And then after you can utilize in real field scale in 100 mm, because one drawing inside have coming, drawing sheet inside have coming, all building structure is coming there. How many rooms is there inside have? How many bathroom? How many toilet? All are coming in there. So drawing is give to always in mm. So we can utilize in meter, convert to meter or centimeter. Okay. So 1 means drawing sheet scale and 100 means real field scale. If drawing sheet have, you can measurement is 1 mm. In real field, you can measurement is 100 mm. You can measure in 100 mm. Okay. So if 1 mm measurement is drawing sheet, if you drawing sheet measurement is 1 mm only, you can measure the 100 mm in real field or work area. This is clear of you. Okay. So you can clear about this. First you check the scale. Suppose you can installation some light in ceiling. So you cannot check in scale. How to you installation? Your installation is wrong. First you check the scale. What scale is give there? 1:100, 1:150. So we are writing 1:150 also. So you can check the drawing measurement scale also, and then after as per your scale you can utilize in field. First you measurement in your drawing sheet, how many mm is coming. After you utilize in field as per drawing scale. Okay, this is important for you. And next one is legends. Legends also important. This if drawing inside have, you cannot take the knowledge about some equipment and something. Legends writing the details of this equipment. In drawing inside only writing symbol or shortcut name. So if you are confusion in symbol, what is the meaning of this one? You can go to legends. They have explained. This symbol means switch. This symbol means light. They are explained in there. Okay, legend. So these all are coming in first page of the drawing, front page of the drawing. Okay. So clear, scale is most important of in drawing. Scale, what is the measurement is equal to 1:100. This is the important. So many interview asking in this question. In drawing, okay. So you can give the answer is like that. This is the correct answer of 1:100. Correct answer. If 1 mm measurement at drawing sheet, we can measure the 100 mm in real field or work area. You can give the answer is like that, and you can utilize same like that in field also. Anywhere if you working, you can first check the scale. How many give there? As per this one, you can do the work. Installation the conduit, switches, fan, light, anyone as per your work related. Okay. So this is most important. You can check in the front page of the drawing. Okay. Front page, this all things are coming in front page. Next one is same like that. Okay. So front page of the drawing. This is drawing. Okay. Here is writing. You see main contractor. Already this is there is first main client or main contractor. Okay. So which is Redco Construction. Like write the name of this one. Who is take the main contract of this project, and subcontractor. Subcontractor Voltage. Voltage is the subcontractor is there. So which types of working is drawing title, fire alarm system layout. So Voltage do the work of fire alarm. Okay, you can clear about this one. So main contractor, sub main contractor, project name. This is the project name, Almana Networking. Okay, this is the project work. So project work, which types of projects, all are writing in there. And drawing title. Here drawing title, fire alarm system layout. Here drawing title is changing. If you working in lighting, that time here is coming lighting layout. If you working in DV and panel, DV dressing and panel, there is coming DV dressing and panel. This is always changing. But these are the, this one and this one is not changing. This is main contractor is not changing. Okay, but drawing title is changing as per your work activities. Okay, and scale is writing there 1:100. Okay, so this is your scale. You can check. I am already explained about this one also. Okay. So in front page coming like that. Front page, first page. If you see the drawing, this all are coming in first page. So most important in drawing working time, you most important is scale and drawing title. These two things is most important for you in working time. Another one is, okay, this is not issues for more, but these two things is, if you don't follow these two things, your work is not coming in good condition. Your work is not clear. If you don't follow scale, this means your work is, everything is mistake. You can follow the scale, drawing scale and drawing title. You can check the drawing title. Your work is lighting work. You can installation the light. You have the fire alarm system drawing. This is correct? No correct. So you can check the drawing title. Yes, for your work, this drawing is correct or not. You can check this one. And scale. This is the most important. These two things is most important. You don't forget in this one. Any drawing, if your hand first starting before, you can check the scale of the drawing and title of the drawing. Before you start the work, your hand have the drawing. Two things is first you check there. Because one company drawing it, so many types of drawing in electrical. I am already told. Lighting, cable tray, DV schedule, panel, wiring. So many drawing is coming. Sometimes drawing is changes. As per your activities is not this one. So you can check the drawing title and use the formula to scale, as per your drawing scale. This means your work is going to good condition, good activities. Your work is perfect. You are the senior electrician. If you take this one and do this according to this one, this means you are the senior electrician or senior engineer, anyone. Okay. So important things is these two things. And next one. So I am tell this is legends. Legends also coming in first page of the drawing. Here is giving in this inside the drawing. You can find only this symbol inside the drawing, not writing in this one. So what is the meaning of this one? You can confuse. You can check. Open your drawing. Inside have this type of symbol. You cannot understand what is this. That time you can go to legends and check there. What is the meaning of this one? There is already writing in there. So this means this type of light. You can clear about this one. So any confusion coming in inside the drawing sheet. Any confusion, you cannot understand about the symbol. That time you should be go legends. No need to go your supervisor, your engineer. This means you cannot understand the drawing knowledge. Okay. So if you work going to inside the project, that time some mistake in your drawing, you cannot understand in some symbol of this, that type of symbol. You should be check the legend. There is you find out. If there is not, you go to engineer. But you should be check first legends. Okay. All are there give. Okay. One by one. What is the meaning of this one? All giving like that. So front page, three things is important coming. First one, drawing title. Second one is drawing scale. And third one is legends. These three things are the important in front page of the drawing. Front page of the drawing, you should be check these three things. If you have the knowledge of about inside the symbol, you should be check legends. As per your drawing scale, you can utilize in your work area or working field. And as per your drawing title, your words should be like that. Your drawing title is different, your work is different, not is like that. Okay. As per your drawing title, your work. These three things is the important in drawing front page. Don't forget any these three is you can every time use. Drawing scale, legend, and drawing title. Okay. Next one. So this is same before. We have the lights, so many lights. This light, all are lights. This is all are lights. So this light, which types of lights you can confuse. You can go to legends and check there. This is with wall bracket, wall waterproof light. You can check in there this types of light. This round type light, which types of light you can check there. This is the confusion of this one. Which types of light is there? This is confused for you. You cannot understand what is this. You should be go to legends and check there. This type where is coming? Yeah, this chandelier. This is the chandelier type light. So you can confirm this one. This types of symbol is what? 600 by 600 mm fluorescent light. Okay, so this is the fluorescent light 600 by 600 mm light fitting. And this symbol is 20 ampere one way lighting switch indicated no of gangs, no any gangs. This is only single, only one coming is there. Okay, so all our details are giving in there. Okay, so any problem, any issues are coming in drawing inside. If you have the not knowledge of some symbols, you should be go to legends and check there. What is the meaning of this one? You can find out is there. Okay, so DV, this is the DV board symbol. DV board is symbol. SMDV different. You see, SMDV is different symbol. So this means drawing is give only inside this one and only this one, not writing in this one. Distribution board, not writing inside the drawing. Only give the symbol of this one. So you can clear about the drawing. Drawing knowledge is most important of electrical work. Any kinds of electrician. If you electrician or engineering, anyone, you should be take the first drawing knowledge. If drawing knowledge, you can take the knowledge of drawing 50% help for your work. 50% you are a good electrician. Work it, continue working, after we can make the perfect. But drawing knowledge, this is the important of you. So I am explained before, if you have the this no understand about this one, you can should be go to legends and check there. Okay, so these are the our drawing titles, and we have the electrical section, lighting layout, power socket layout, conduiting layout, cable tray layout, DV schedule, all types of drawing is there. Fire alarm system drawing. We can take the knowledge of every drawing. And in drawing knowledge, in this chapter, we can clear about the drawing skill. Most important is drawing skill. How to see the drawing skill. What is the meaning of drawing skill? So how to maintain this one? You should be taking this one. In drawing knowledge inside, you say important is 4 things. First, as per your drawing title, your work is same like that, not different. Next one is, as per drawing scale, you can measurement is field. And another is legends. If you have any problem of inside the drawing, you cannot understand about the drawing, you should be taking legends. Okay, these are the most important of drawing knowledge. And first page, you should be taking this one. Okay, this is the major point of view. Scale, drawing title, and legend. These are the importance of you. So drawing knowledge chapter is completed. Tomorrow too we are starting in basic electricity. We are starting in basic electricity. So anybody have the doubt about drawing knowledge? Some questions? Any questions here? Okay, I hope all of you are clear. And tomorrow, new topics too. Again, we are coming. Okay, wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The video was checking from this browser.